I am Saija Usman from class 2A.
And I am Hanisha from class 1H.
Diwali is a symbol of wisdom, hope and light. It signifies the victory of light over darkness. And it is celebrated with utmost fervor. This was the events looped around for the day by children of pre-primary and primary.
Prayer purifies our mind, body and spirit. Now, let's start the assembly by remembering Goddess Lakshmi, a symbol of prosperity and abundance. Now, I welcome our friends from grade 2 for the prayer song.
పెద్దలందరికీ మరియు నా స్నేహితులందరికీ శుభోదయం. నా పేరు హన్విక. ఈరోజు మనము దీపావళి గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాము. ఈ పండుగను కాంతి పండుగను కూడా పిలుస్తారు. కుల మత భేదములు లేకుండా అందరూ జరుపుకునే పండుగ దీపావళి.
I am Nishant from class 7. We are here to proceed with the further events of the day.
Nishant, do you think many of you know the reason for celebrating Diwali?
Yes, Akshita. People celebrate Diwali as a victory of good over evil, which means the arrival of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after defeating Ravana. There are many stories underlying to celebrate this festival.
Indeed, Nishant, कहा जाता है कि उस दिन प्रभु श्री कृष्ण ने नरकासुर राक्षस का वध किए थे. कौन है ये नरकासुर और भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने उनका वध क्यों किए और कैसे किए?
To witness the same, let's invite the students of classes 6 to 9 to present a skit.
समय के साथ नरकासुर बहुत शक्तिशाली हो गया था. यहाँ तक इंद्रदेव भी नरकासुर के हाथों हार गया था. नरकासुर बहुत गर्व के साथ बोलने लगा,
हा हा हा, मेरे हाथों तो इंद्रदेव भी हार गए.
तब सारे देवता भगवान विष्णु के पास गए और अपनी रक्षा करने के लिए प्रार्थना करने लग गए.
त्राहिमाम प्रभु, हमारी रक्षा करो, नरकासुर से हमारी रक्षा करो.
भगवान विष्णु ने देवताओं को बोला कि चिंता मत कीजिए, नरकासुर का अंत जल्द होगा. भगवान विष्णु श्री कृष्ण के रूप में और पृथ्वी माँ ने सत्यभामा के रूप में जन्म ले लिया. इसी बीच नरकासुर का अत्याचार बढ़ने लग गया. वह देवताओं को सताने लगा और राजाओं को चुनौती देने लगा.
ऐसे ही मौके पर
सत्यभामा नरकासुर से लड़ने के लिए तैयार हो गई. नरकासुर, तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत, तुमने कृष्ण को बेहोश कर दिया, अब तू मुझसे लड़ेगा.
के बीच युद्ध शुरू हो गया।
अंत में नरकासुर को सत्यभामा के हाथों मरना ही पड़ा। पर नरकासुर के मरने से पहले श्री कृष्ण होश में आकर बोले,
देवी, यह तो तुम्हारा ही पुत्र है।
सत्यभामा हैरान होकर बोली,
क्या ये तो मेरा अंश है?
उसी वक्त नरकासुर सत्यभामा से एक इच्छा करता है।
क्या है तुम्हारी इच्छा बालक?
माते, मेरे मरण दिन को दुख से नहीं बल्कि खुशी और उत्साह से मनाया जाए।
तथास्तु, तुम्हारी इच्छा पूर्ण होगी।
इसीलिए दिवाली के पहले दिन को नरक चतुर्दशी कहा जाता है। दीपावली का अर्थ ही दीपों की पंक्तियां है और सभी लोग इस त्योहार को खुशी खुशी मनाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Hey, I am really excited today.
But why? Can I know the reason?
Yes, Aradhya, it's Diwali time. Time to buy new clothes, firecrackers. Wow!
Yes, I agree. Time for tasty sweets too. But I am scared of firecrackers.
Don't get scared, Aradhya. We should follow few safety rules while bursting crackers. Let's call upon our friends to say those.
Wear only cotton clothes as synthetic clothes can catch fire easily.
Maintain safe distance from firecrackers.
Always light firecrackers in open space.
Burst crackers only under parent supervision.
Keep a bucket full of water nearby you when you are bursting crackers. It helps you to be safe in case of fire burn or fire breakout.
Hope you all have understood how to have a safe Diwali. Wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali.
request to all of you is have lots of fun, no problem, but be a little bit considerate when you're buying crackers. Try and buy green crackers which emit less smoke, less noise. Okay? Tell your parents. Sure?
So, happy Diwali to all of you, and to all the parents and teachers, wish you a very happy and safe Diwali. Thank you all.
Wish you all a happy and safe Diwali. To the management, we thank our chairman Shri A. Shravan Kumar Rao for gracing the occasion today.
A very warm and pleasant good morning. I am Neelansh of class 8D, and I take great pleasure to stand before you and propose the vote of thanks. I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude as we come together and celebrate the festival of Diwali. I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude towards the management committee members, teaching and non-teaching staff for taking great efforts to prepare and organize this wonderful event. We are highly grateful to our students for taking part and putting up a great effort in this event with great enthusiasm. They have given incredible performances today and are worthy of our appreciation. Last but not the least, a sincere thanks to the art, music and dance department and the support staff, without whom this event would not have been possible. They have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure everything runs smoothly. In conclusion, we hope that the festival of Diwali brings the light of knowledge, happiness and prosperity upon all of us. Wishing you all a happy, safe and prosperous Diwali. Thank you.